Ever hit the brake pedal and felt nothing? Here's what could be going wrong. First, let's talk basics. Your Jeep Wrangler's brakes rely on fluid, pads, and rotors to safely stop your ride. If any piece fails, your brakes might not work right. One big cause: low brake fluid. Fluid leaks or old, worn-out fluid can make your pedal feel soft or go straight to the floor. Check your fluid level. If it's low, top it off, but also look for leaks. Next, up-worn brake pads. Pads wear down over time. If you hear squeaks, grinding, or need more distance to stop, your pads might be gone. Replacement is a must. Another issue: bad rotors. Warped or damaged rotors mess with stopping power. You might feel shaking or pulsing when you brake. Time for a rotor check. Don't forget the master cylinder. If it fails, your brakes might not work at all. This is serious. Get professional help right away. And finally, air in the brake lines. Air bubbles can make your pedal spongy. Bleeding the brakes can fix this, but if you're not sure how, call a pro. Here's the bottom line. If your Jeep Wrangler's brakes aren't working right, don't risk it. Check the basics, fix what you can, and when in doubt, get it looked at by a mechanic. Stay safe out there.